Well, we got that. Alright. What is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are working on some rims. We picked up some rims off of Facebook for $100, just like the last BMW rims on my other video. So go watch that. We're essentially doing the exact same thing, but with a slightly different rim. So they were just silver, which you can kind of see there. They were all silver. Bless you. But we did some citrus strip on it, and we pretty much did that all day yesterday. And all four, some of them didn't get all the way off, so we're here again fixing that while we are sanding the rest of the tires. But we're just gonna do classic white. That's a primer and a paint, and then we're just gonna gloss over it. So super easy. This is flying now. Once we actually got like a method, it's like what? So I'm gonna keep on trucking. It's only 106, so it's not even bad.
Beautiful.
Gonna get it done. Probably paint it today. I hope.
Maybe.
I hope so.
At least a layer or two.
One of them is done, sanded all the way to 400. No, it doesn't look like it because there's a couple, whatever, but that goes away after a couple layers of paint. You know what I'm saying? This one's, how far are you on day one? Almost done. Yeah, I'll have to go turn that back on. However, we had problems with this rim, and like the citrus strip was just not doing its job, so it's been sitting on here for probably another hour. No, probably like 20 minutes actually. I don't know why I said hour. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. It's definitely still there. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but you see it clear as day in person. So this one's been kind of a pain, but whatever. This is pretty cool. So here was some really bad rash. It's like just melting away. That's what we got going on over here.
Yes. Don't say wheelays.
That's correct.
That's correct. That's the word.
Okay, these are going by so much faster than the BMW. I think genuinely where we put all of our BMW rims to this state took us, yeah, I was gonna say like 3 days of genuine working, but we are, they are all done. What do you know, it took a day and we finally got shit done. So they're all sanded to 400, both front and backs. So they're fucking ready, they're sticky. They're just a little dirty, so I have to get some isopropyl and wipe them down, and she'll be money. Right, welcome back.
Welcome back.
So we're getting stuff pretty much laid out and figured out. We want to do all of this. We still have to wipe these down with isopropyl, which we have. We have that much to do 4 tires, and we don't really feel like going to the store, so we'll find out.
2 wheels.
Did you do this one?
No, I did those 2.
Oh yeah, you can just see it going away. Pretty sure this is a very crucial part of this. You do not want any contaminants on this. See. Look, he did get brown. You can see brown from the citrus strip. But it's worth it. Yeah, dude, this shit works really good on just a tire. No, I've been telling her.
Bro, we edited all that shit out.
Alright, y'all not gonna know. Dude, I have the literally sitting here. Maybe I'll blur it way above just to hide what we're doing.
That's our method, bro.
No, we gotta put other people on game.
No, not until we get the game.
Well, we got that. Alright. So for some reason my clip got deleted, like it's just too much storage. But we got these done, and we're about to paint them.
Where's the real ones? Over there. Oh.
here we are. This is pretty much dry. It's got a little bit more on 2 of the spokes, but we're gonna get these all ready for it because I probably should have done it right away and have both, but we didn't think about it. So
Yeah.
whatever. We're here now.
We are.
Skip to when they're probably all done. Alrighty guys, so we're sitting here waiting on these to dry, and they're just not. They've been sitting for probably like an hour.
Maybe 2.
Yeah, hour and a half maybe, and they're still wet. Obviously these ones are probably because they're whatever, but these ones we set for an extra like 30-40 minutes before we even touch the other ones, and they're still wet. I'm like, this and here's. So we're just putting the heater and hoping that it helps. It's definitely getting warm already, so we'll see. It's finally at least semi-decent enough. It's been sitting for probably like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Like, it's been insane. It should not be this long.
So we're gonna crack.
Hang on.
Lego.
Here we go. We have all 4 of them coated twice. So that's probably where we're leaving it for today. It is currently 8:10, so a little late. Right, y'all, we were just about to get this last layer done, but low-key have no fucking paint, so we gotta go get some paint.
Let's go.
Alright, back to the storage. Let's hope we have a paint can. Not that it's a big deal, it's only like $6 or something, but trying to save a little bit of bread while we can. Yeah, we do have one.
Fuck me. Lost one. Yeah, fuck yeah.
I
Nice.
knew it. Okay.
3 bottles?
Dude, I was like, yeah, we spent way too much.
Sick, Jesus. We were over prepared.
Alright, well, heading out.
Heading back, baby. Let's go.
A little pit stop for some grub at the Quicker Ray. You feel me? Quick Trip. I'm trying these. I've never had it. I don't know if you've ever had Quick Trip, but you gotta try it. Gas station food.
Gas station food.
Got a
Come
rib
on,
sandwich. Let's go. Alright, so we had a little bit of drying problems, like I showed you. So hopefully, leaving them out in the sun for a long time helps. We also left the paint in there too, because I heard that helps. They actually do look a little better.
Feel nice and warm.
So the only problems, which I hope go away, is that you can't really even see on camera. So isn't that beautiful? All right. Oh, and we completely missed this.
Oh yeah, that's
How did we miss those on both coats?
yeah, that's a great question.
That's crazy.
Man, those fucking rears are heavy. Oh shit. Yeah, the rears are so much heavier. That's insane. Man, actually so heavy. You lost. Perfect.
Quickly show y'all, these are not perfect. We know that they had a bunch of blemishes and shit. Like, it is rough. But from a good distance back, I can't even tell. Look at that. Literally, I mean, maybe you're right. Fuck, there's a fly. Fucking bum. We got 2 of them painted. It fumes like crazy in here, so we're just taking a quick breather. Guys, welcome back. I am currently working on this solo dolo because someone cannot be here right now. But it's been raining like crazy the last couple hours, so everything's wet. It's kind of cold, so I gotta keep it kind of centralized in here. Can't let them warm up outside like I did yesterday, so I put the heater. Hopefully it's gonna evenly-ish, warm them up, and then I'm gonna slap a layer of clear down after wiping them down again, and hope that everything works out. All coated, first layer. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the painter here. That is definitely Trevor. So we're gonna hope that it's fine. I'm not even gonna cover it. I don't have time or the right space by myself to do that, so we're just gonna pray. All right, they're all clear coated 3 times now. we're about to take them outside and take some pictures and put them up.
Do it.
And I'll kind of show you all a little bit better, more like a proper when they're finished. Alrighty, that's them out in the sun, which I finally just finished curing with the caps back in them. They're not perfect. Obviously, you can see some imperfections, but at the end of the day, they weren't going to be perfect. They were just better than they were, and they're on some really great tread still. So I'm hoping for maybe 400, maybe 450. Probably just like 400 actually. We'll see. He's grabbing some tire shine. Yeah. Also, let me know if y'all want some car content. I'll figure some shit out to film. I want to fix some shit down there. Fix my calipers. You know, just odds. So if you want that, let me know.
Let him know.
I'm probably going to do it anyway, so I don't, whatever. And that is a wrap for this one. We got them all taken care of and put away. So you're going to stay there until we get sold. Like I said, probably like 450, so we'll see.
We'll let you guys know.
Anyways, I hope y'all liked it. Go watch my other videos and
subscribe.
like and sub. Comment if you liked it. See you.